Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did these DIY knotless box braids. They took a while, I'm not going to lie, they took a really long time, but as you can see I really do like them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, relax, and here are the things that I use to do this. I had already started braiding my hair the day before because I knew I had to put my hair in braids as soon as possible because I was touching my hair way too much, manipulating my hair way too often and just really drying out my hair. I had already shampooed and deep conditioned my hair before I started braiding to make sure that my hair was in a really good state. So this is how much I've done so far. I was trying to make my parts really neat and make sure that I'm doing the best box parts as possible. But the thing about doing like boxes is that they have to be extra tidy, and it's hard enough trying to do box parts in general, but I don't have eyes on the back of my head, so it was even more difficult. Sometimes I'll just forget about using a mirror to figure out where I want to put my parts and just use my fingers instead, just to save a bit more time. With knotless box braids, you're meant to braid your natural hair first, so that's what I'm doing right now. Then I'll be adding little pieces of extension, bit by bit, kind of like a feeding braid. So I cut the hair into 3 sections, just folded it into 3, just to make sure that I had enough hair to go around my entire head. I did end up using around 2.5 packs of hair. I was going to continue doing my hair, but I got way too bored and too tired to continue. So I just put my hair back into a bun and called it a day. This is day 3 and I'm still braiding. This is what I mean when I said that this style takes a long time to do. Anyway, I laid out my hair along my chair so that I could save a little bit more time. This is how far I managed to get that day. Now this was day 4 and I was determined to make this the last day that I was braiding my hair because I was so over it and I was tired of braiding my hair every single day. At this point, I wasn't too focused on how straight my parts were, even though I wanted them to be a little bit straight because they were at the top of my head. I just didn't want to put too much effort into it because I was so tired. I finished off braiding the ends of my hair after I'd finished doing my entire head.
Raised it up, took me 4 days to do. Finally done with this head, I'm so happy.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we